If the electricity goes out, do you have a blackout bag? A blackout bag is a very, very simple bag. It's not like a bug out bag, so it doesn't have everything in your kitchen sink. A blackout bag is simply so you can have light when the electricity goes out. My name is Jason Hanson. I'm a former CI officer. This is my blackout bag here. I'm gonna show you 5 items I have in my blackout bag, and I've got 7 kids. So I bring that up because if you're like me, if you got kids or grandkids running around your house, your flashlights disappear like crazy. I've got flashlights on my nightstand because that's where my gun safe is. As I said, I've got multiple kids, so all my guns are locked up, and I have flashlights on there, and those disappear like crazy. The other night, my 10-year-old son said, "Hey, can I have a flashlight? I want to read in bed," because his other brothers were asleep. And I said, "Son, I've given you like 20 flashlights. Where do they end up? They end up in the black hole of our house." So you want to have a blackout bag in your closet. That way, if the electricity goes out and your kids have stolen all of your flashlights, you know this is in your closet where you actually have stuff, so you can have plenty of light. So what are the items in your blackout bag, the world's simplest gear kit bag? Well, obviously flashlights. So I have several different flashlights. I've got flashlights that take batteries, heavy-duty flashlights, last forever. I've got flashlights that take the USB chargers, just because I have some that take batteries, some that take USB. So here's another flashlight. I've got smaller flashlights, and this is one of my favorite flashlights, tough as nails. So I have multiple of those. So right now I've got 4 different flashlights in my blackout bag. And yes, those are some of the 5 items that I'm counting. Also, I have a lantern in there. There's a bunch of companies that make lanterns. It just happens to be one of the lanterns that I own. So I like these lanterns because I can hang them. They are very, very bright. This one is a USB charging one, and they also last forever when you're on low mode, so I don't have to worry about not recharging it. I don't have to worry about recharging it every 30 days or so. And again, I can hang this up. So for your blackout bag, have some type of lantern, I recommend. I have one of the weather emergency radios, and the reason is because what if the electricity's gone out because you're some kind of natural disaster coming your way, hurricane, whatever. And what I like about these weather emergency radios, it's hand cranked, so I can do that. It's also got a solar panel. You can plug it in and charge it. Has a built-in flashlight. And basically too many bells and whistles that you really don't need, but you should definitely have one of these emergency weather radios. They're inexpensive, and same like everything else. There's a million companies making, you buy it on Amazon. And then of course, well, I do have candles and a cigarette lighter. I don't think I'm ever gonna use them. Those are like, there's no real reason they're in there except I have them in there. But something I may use is, of course, glow sticks, chem lights. These are also inexpensive. These will also, I mean, they're only gonna last 12 hours, but still. And don't let your kids find these because they will use them. We already know that, which is why your blackout bag is in your closet where your kids don't know about. So that's it. As I said, the world's like one time where I create a kit that doesn't have a million bells and whistles. This is it. I've got it in this bag here. This is one of my favorite sling bags made by a company called 3V Gear. Highly recommend it. Go to 3vgear.com. You'll get some awesome tactical bags and put together your blackout bag, chem lights, lantern, bunch of different flashlights, and your emergency weather radio. And let's see. Yeah, I'm not gonna turn it on and play it, but all right, there we go. It works. Okay, that's it. I'm former CI officer Jason Hanson. Go to 3vgear.com. Build your blackout bag. You never know where you're going to need it. And you're going to be grateful that you have it and that your flashlights aren't scattered in 800 million places where you have no idea where they went. Okay, that's it. Adios.